Yeah, look, it's great to be back. Obviously, missed last year with surgery and stuff, so it's been a while. I've been looking forward to this, especially this rally, and it's a shame it got cancelled last year. So I think there's a lot of people looking forward to this event, and after doing recce now, the roads are in fantastic condition. It's actually it's a very, very fast rally, so I can't wait.
This year it's pace noted, so you've had the opportunity to have a look at the roads, and I've had a look at them as well. They're fantastic.
Yeah, they're in great condition. Even the sunny corner side and the pine forest, which you'd get. There might be one or two bony sections, but all in all, like they've done a fantastic job on grading them, and they're wide. You're going to carry a lot of speed. The downside to that is if you go off, you're going to do some damage. But that's the nature of rallying. So I think everybody's excited for this round.
So what's your strategy for this weekend? Are you looking for the win?
I am looking for the win in the New South Wales Championship. That's my one and only goal. There's a few contestants there that are definitely going to be a big challenge. As regards the few cars in front of me, that's not really. It'd be nice to win, but there's a few fast boys there. But ultimately our goal for this year is to win the New South Wales Championship. So that's our priority.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 120. Turn and 2 left plus. 30. Early 4 right plus in on crest. 40 out over the grass. Fast 3 right very in. Left side flat crest. Clear 60 down. Break after the post. 50. 2 right. U. If you have a good man, 2 right U. Pitch 50. Right side crest, break after cone, 40 out for turn 2 left plus in. 50. Turn 2 left plus in. 60. Left side brow care, only 40 down to turn 2 right plus. 50. 3 right plus long around the tree, 50. To turn 2 left plus in. 30. 2 right plus, use the exit. 50. Turn 2 left. Sudden 2 right in. 2 in. 150. Turn 2 right. Turn 2 right. 20. Turn 2 right in then again. 150, go on, you passed it. Turn 2 left. Turn 2 left. 20 out. Turning 2 left over the finish. Go on. 44, 45. That's good. 46. Brow 80, 5 right plus in on crest. Dip. And flat jump, 80 dip into very long 5 right plus, nips a little after the 3. Go get her straightened up, Richie. Richie, get her straight. Oh, Scott, down, the handbrake one. Oh, you get her, you have her. Out now. Into 5 left, plus on brow, opens flat. Go 300. Plus, nips a little after the 3. Go get her straightened up, Richie. Richie, get her straight. Oh, Scott, down, the handbrake one. Oh, you get her, you have her. Out now. Brow then, late 4 left plus on brow tightens. here, what's it tightening? Early 5 right plus, Cherry. Early 5 right plus, Cherry, 50. Left side flat crest, 50 through the dip, and 50 over small brow, 100. Flat crest, 80. Flat crest, care, 50. Very long 4 right plus, 40 down. Very long 4 right plus, 40 down. You're right, you have her. Long 4 right plus, into 5 left, narrow exit. 5 left, narrow exit, 40. And a very long 4 left. Here, 30. Long. And a 4 right opens up. 4 right opens up now, 50. 4 right plus through the posts, continues long. 50. Small brow, 20. 4 left plus in. 30. And a 4 right plus in over crest, 200. 200. And a long brow, 60. Short, 5 right down, 100. You have 100 or long 5 right, care. Only 40, 3 left plus you. 3 left plus you here, 30. 4 right plus, then brow. That's the job, 4 right plus, then brow, 50. Early 5 right plus, and cheap 6 left over long crest, 50. To an early 5 right plus, 120. Care, 2 left plus before 3, hard to see. 100. Short 5 right. Clip early, 6 left over brow, go 200. Care, very late 3 left plus in. Very late 3 left plus in. 100. Brow. Then 4 right plus, very in, narrow. 120. Right side crest, 30, turn fast, 4 left in. Late. Long 5 left, nips at the second ramp. Car off, okay, 250. So nips at the second ramp. Go 250 to the white post. Very long, 5 left, opens on brow.
You were here to win the New South Wales Rally Championship and you have accomplished that. Tell us about your dramas that you had in the last 2 stages.
Just coming off that long stage in the middle, Egan's, we handed in our time card and then just transporting to refuel, and the car stopped. Centre failed with a fuel rail, so no pressure. We were going on to the secondary pump and tried everything, and it started and stopped. We managed to get it back to refuel, and the boys changed the sensor. It was I was just telling Mac, I was more stressed in there than I was when I'm trying to do 4 traffic switches on the one night. So it wasn't nice, but it's after working out in the end, and we had a fantastic day. And fair play to the Nielsbeth Motorsport boys. They kept that car going, and Mac did an unbelievable job. And I'd just like to shout out to all my sponsors as well. We came here to win the day, and we've done that. So we're very happy now for the next round.